Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now look at what you are given. You are given that x to the power of what 2x to the power of 10 or equals to what 15 to the power of 3. We are asked to look for the value of x. Let's take the natural logarithm of both sides. We are taking the one we are applying natural logarithm of what both sides, okay? Then link 15 to the power of what 3, right? Now let's obey one of the properties of logarithm, that the logarithm of what m to the power of p base a is equals to p multiplied by log m what base a, right? So this now become what 2x to the power of 10 multiplied by ln x is equals to 3 ln what ln 15, because we're obeying the properties of what logarithm. At this point, let's divide both sides by 2, because we are looking for a way so we can have the value of x, right? So that means x to the power of what 10 multiplied by ln x is equals to what? Ln s is equals to 3 divided by 2 ln what? Ln 15. Okay? At this point, what are we going to do? Take note that this is one law, this is a second law, that e to the power of what? Ln a is equals to what? A. Okay? This is one of the properties of logarithm, and to help us here, it means that e to the power of ln what? Ln x to the power of 10 is equals to s to the power of 10, and also equals to e to the power of 10 ln what? Ln x. They are equal. Okay? I want to choose this one. So what this is 10, then e to the power of 10 ln what? Ln x multiplied by ln x is equals to 3 divided by 2 ln what? Ln 15. Wow, this is amazing. Now let's take the second properties. This is what you're going to apply the lambda, okay, the lambda the wave function. Take note that lambda you are hearing about today is the product of what? Logarithm. That the lambda the real function of what? Into a multiplied by e to a is equals to what? A. Now at this point, there's no way we can apply lambda. For us to apply lambda, let's multiply both equations by 10. So that means e to the power of what? 10 ln what? Ln x multiplied by 10 ln what? Ln x equals to what? 10, okay, into 3 divided by 2 ln what? Ln 15. Have you seen that we are multiplying both sides by 10, right? So for apply the lambda the real function of both sides of e to the power of 10 ln what? Ln x multiplied by 10 ln what? Ln x is equals to the lambda the real function of into 10, let me put bracket open, then into 3 divided by 2 ln what? Ln 15, okay, then bracket what? Close. Wow, all this will just give us 10 ln what? Ln s equals to what? The lambda the real function of what? 10 divided by 2 is 5, so this is 5 multiplied by 3 ln what? Ln 15, then bracket what? Close. Remember, our target is to find the value of x, right? Now let's see what we are going to have here. Now 3 times 5, 5 times 3 is 15, so this is what? 10 ln what? 10 ln x is equals to the lambda the real function of 15 ln what? Ln 15. Now at this point, what are we going to do? Take note that we are asked to look for the value of x. Now we can put 15. Remember that 15 is equals to e to the power of ln 15, right? Wow. So that means we are going to have this as that 10 ln what? Ln x is equals to the real function of into e to the power of ln 15 multiplied by ln 15. Okay, this is 15. Oh, this is 15. Fine. So that this is what? 10 ln what? Ln x is equals to what? Ln 15, by obeying the properties of lambda the real what? Function. At this point, what are we going to do? Remember, we are asked to find the value of x. Now let's divide both sides by 10, because we are looking for a way so we can have the value of x. This cancel out this. We left that ln x is equals to ln 15 divided by what? 10. Alright. Now what are we going to do? Remember that this thing you're seeing, this denominator can also be seen as what? 1 over 10. So that means ln what? Ln s is equals to 1 over 10 multiplied by, ln what? Ln 15. Okay? Because if we multiply 1 over 10 by ln 15, we have ln 15 over 10. At this point, what are we going to do? Because we're looking for the value of s that will satisfy this equation. I can take this to become the exponent here. So now become ln s is equals to ln 15 to the power of 1 over what? 10. Are you seeing? Wow, it's amazing. So that means because it's become what, the 10 root. So that means ln what? Ln s is equals to ln the 10 root of what? The 10 root of what? 15. Okay, 10 root of 15. That means, and this is in base e, right? This is in base e. So let's raise it to e. So that means e to the power what? Ln s is equals to e to the power what? Ln 10 root of what? 15, right? Now we know that e to the power ln a is equals to what? A, right? At this point we want to have just x, so that means x will be e to the power ln s will just give us x equals to what? Then e to the power will give us what? 10 root 10 root of what? 15, and this is the value of x that satisfy this equation. Now let me check 10 root of 15 in decimal. Let me see what I'm going to have. That means it's 10 root of what? 10 root of 15. So I'm going to have that s also is equals to, in decimal, 1.3110 at what? At 3 decimal place. This is also the value of x, and this is also the value of x. Okay, now if we substitute the value of x here, we will have exactly this answer. This is a beautiful solution to this particular question. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. You have to like, have you seen case 1? Very interesting, amazing, right? Let's consider case 2. Now this is 2 to the power of 2s to the power of 10 equals to what? 15 to the power of 3. We are asked to look for the value of x. Now let's see how method 2 is going to be amazing. Okay, now we are having s to the power of 2s to the power of 10, right? We are going to remove this 2 from here. So I'm going to add, this is what? X to the power of what? 2x to the power of 10. So if we multiply here by 1 over 2, this 2 will go out, equals what? 15 to the power of what? 3, then multiply by 1 over what? 2. So that this will cancel out this. We are left with what? X to the power of what? X to the power of 10 equals to what? 15 to the power of 3 divided by what? 2. Because 3 times 1 over 2 is 3 over 2. Okay? We are not wrong if we say let x to the power of what? 10 equals to what? P. This implies that x will be equals to the 10 root of what? 10 root of p. So we can know the value of p, we know the value of x, right? So anywhere we see s, I want to substitute the value of p in this equation. Look at s here, this is into the 10 root of what? P to the power of what? P, because s to the power of 10 is p, equals to what? 15 to the power of 3 divided by what? 2. And we're going to obey one of the properties of indices here. Note that this is what? P to the power of what? 1 over 10. Okay, all to the power of what? P is equals to 15 to the power of 3 divided by what? 2. Now remember that the index inside the parentheses can multiply the index outside the parentheses. So that this is P to the power of what? P divided by what? 10 is equals to what? 15 to the power of what? 3 divided by what? 2. Okay, let us remove this 10 from here. For us to remove this 10 from here at the denominator, we want to multiply both powers by 10. So that means P to the power of what? P divided by 10 multiplied by what? 10 is equals to 15 to the power of 3 divided by 2 multiplied by what? The power, which is what? 10. So that this will cancel out this. We are left that P to the power of P is equals to 15 to the power of what? 3 times 10 will give us 30 divided by what? 2. And 30 divided by 2 is 15. So that P to the power of P is equals to what? 15 to the power of what? 15. Now you can see that the power here, which is P, is equals to 15 here, which is the power, and the base here, which is P, is equals to 15 here, which is the base. So we can conclude that our P is equals to what? 15. This is the value of P. But remember, we are not asked to solve for P. We are asked that what is the value of X. Now recall that, okay? Recall that x is equals to the 10 root of what? The 10 root of 15, right? The 10 root of p, the 10 root of what? P, as you can see here. So it means our s is equals to the 10 root of what? 15. And this is a beautiful solution to this question. Have you seen how method 2 is so amazing and pocket genius? So consider case 1 and case 2. Which one do you find so interesting? Can you see how simple and interesting it is? So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. You have to like, comment, and share it to loved ones so others will learn. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, consider to subscribe So anytime there are exciting videos, you will notify. So thank you so much and God bless you. Bye.